Okay, this is the Code and Quill Habit System Planner unboxing. Comes in a nice box for presentation. It says at the top that this is a planner designed for who you actually want to be. In my case, that means that this is a planner for Daniel Craig. Let's take a look at what we have here. All right. So one of the things that wasn't clear from the website is what this material actually felt like. It is not a suede, even though that's what it looks like. It is a sticky hardcover book. And by sticky, I mean grippy, not actually sticky. Pull the band. And here we have the pages. The 3 bookmarks right there. Here's a day spread. There's the left page. Space for time blocking, a little notes block. And then here we have goal setting, priorities, and daily review. We turn back to the front. We have a timetable. I'm sure all this is explained how they would like us to use their system. Monthly calendar, monthly goal setting, and some breakdown points, which is nice. How to actually make your milestones. There's a lot of planning and not a lot of detail in some of these sometimes. And then we're into a weekly goal. So here you can see the weekly goal sheet. You have some calendar blocks, which week of the quarter it is, your weekly priorities, a habit tracker for 5 habits, and takeaways from the week. All 12 of the weeks are here at the front of the book, and then you go into the dates, which is, I'm assuming, what 2 of the markers are for, one for your date and one for your, actually, one for your month, one for your week, and one for your day. And then at the back, we do have some nicely light gray dot grid notes planning sheets and some lined as well. And that looks like the unboxing.